How to log into your Binance account on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Binance account on mobile. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up your Binance application, and once inside here you can just tap on this login icon to go over to wallet section. So you can just tap on this sign up or login button at the home screen. So let me just quickly select it, and if you haven't already registered an account, you can just head over to this create a Binance account section over here where you can easily register with your email or phone number. So as I already have an account, so I'll simply head over to login instead of creating an account from scratch. So from over here you can basically enter your registered email address as well as phone number and simply click on next, and it will ask you to enter your password. So let's just see, quickly enter my registered password and just click on next, and just like that you will be getting a verification code sent to that your particular registered email address, and if you have provided your phone number you'll should get it on your message. So you can just copy and paste the verification code from your mail, and it will automatically verify your password, and just like that you should be successfully logged into your Binance account, and you can even verify your identity to complete the process as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.